Hi guys, review smartphone ZTE Blade L8. This version 1GB RAM memory and 16GB internal memory. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. In completion you have device and instructions, micro USB cable, adapter for charging. That's all. All completion okay. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side camera and LED. On the front side 5-inch display, front camera LEDs, front camera and speaker. On the left side port for USB, micro USB port. On the right side power key and volume keys. Upside headphones jack, downside microphone. Okay, open back cover. Under back cover have battery 200 mAh, 2000 mAh, 2 slot for nano SIM card and slot for micro SD card for memory. Close and turn on device. TFT display, resolution HD. Wait, load. Okay. Device load. Open settings, look Android version. System. About phone. Android 9. Okay. Close this. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU Spreadtrum SC7731. This is quad-core processor, CPU speed 1.3 GHz, GPU Mali-T 820, resolution and display VGA. Okay, look results, CPU test results. And GPU test results. Okay, close this test and open demanded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Default graphic level. Look how GTA San Andreas work on default graphic level. Okay, game load and walk with legs. We can play only on the main graphic level, on medium graphic level, default level, game, lag. Okay, close this game and talk about camera. Front camera 5 megapixels and main camera 8 megapixels. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.